Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Tutorial Lore. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove credit card from Amazon application. So be sure you stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel, Tutorial Lore. Let's go for how to remove credit card from Amazon. So first you have to open the Amazon application in your smartphone. Then you will be redirected here. Now cut the advertisement and find the U option in the bottom and click on the U option after that. Find your account option. You will see this in the middle. After that, you have to click on See All option after that. This page will appear. Now you have to scroll down and find the Amazon Pay option and then find the Manage Payments options and click on it. After that, you will see your debit card option in Amazon. Now there are two options. One is Edit and second is Remove. You have to click on Remove and done. Our debit card will be removed from the Amazon. So this all in today's video. Hope you must have understood that how to remove credit card from Amazon. There is no easier way than this. If you still don't understand anything, then you can comment. I will definitely reply to you or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button and press the subscribe, drop a comment. Thanks.